Hey guys, welcome back to Camp Anna. If this is your first time checking out a Camp Anna video, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support and thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I was inspired by fall. This past weekend, my husband, John Paul, and I went, I'm not even gonna say just apple picking. We went produce picking because we picked apples, we picked raspberries. Oh, those look so good. We picked pears, so much was available. So I was inspired to make some raspberry jam because we picked a lot of raspberries. So today's video, we're gonna walk you through step by step on how to make your own homemade jam. With that, let's get started and take a look at everything that you're gonna need. So first few things you're gonna need are 1 pound of raspberries, a strainer to clean your raspberries, and then a clean bowl to put your raspberries in once they are clean. And then we're gonna need a saucepan to cook the raspberries in. And then you're gonna need a total of 3 tablespoons of sugar, or a little bit more if you like it sweeter. And then you're gonna need airtight containers to store your jam in. I like to use these jars. I bought these at Target, ran them through the dishwasher. Do make sure that they're clean before you use them. And I have 1 out, 2 just in case if there's any overflow, if I decide to use more raspberries in the recipe. All right, so without further ado, let's get going, guys. Make sure that you are constantly stirring so the berries don't stick to the pot. In fact, you might also want to use a rubber spatula if you have one, just to get it. There we go. Really mix it up. Nice. We're also going to continue to use the fork though. Unless you like, if you like your jam a little more on the, I don't like to use the word lumpy, but like with more pieces of fruit in it and not so much of a thinner consistency, you can stop mashing. But for me, I like mine a little thinner. I'm gonna keep mashing. Add more sugar. This is 2nd tablespoon. Haven't already. Too bad this isn't smell-o-vision because this smells really good right now. To stir consistently, guys. It only takes 10 minutes, but you need to make sure that you are by it at all times so it doesn't burn, or your berries and your sauce doesn't stick to the sides of the pan. But look, you can see how it's becoming a beautiful sauce. And also, if you see it start to kind of bubble over like this, just turn your heat down, it's okay. And just keep stirring. Stirring, stirring, stirring. Mixing the sugar with those berries. Yay, boiling! You can see the pretty fall colors too, at least through the camera. It looks orange and pink and kind of like a color of a sunset, like a beautiful fall sunset, because it's fall. Okay, at this point, it's been boiling for about 5 minutes. This is maybe what you should start to see as you're about halfway through your timer. And you can see it's beautiful as you can see the seeds. Let's see if I can pull it up. Seeds from the raspberries. And you can see how liquidy it has become, and that's just the natural like the natural liquids from the fruits. That's why you don't need to add any water or anything to it. Alright, so we're at about the 2-minute mark now. And it's definitely very, very liquidy. Definitely more of a sauce consistency than it used to be. But you can still see the beautiful seeds, and you can definitely tell this is fresh. This is fresh. Just remember to when in doubt, just keep stirring, because you can kind of see right here where it kind of got a little bit of burnt on the side because I wasn't stirring. Alrighty, we have about 30 seconds left. Boil, boil, boil. Alright, that was our timer. So now you've been boiling and stirring for about 10 minutes now. You see it's very nice and liquidy, soupy if I dare say. So what you're going to do now is you're going to turn off your heat. And then you're going to place this on a cool burner. And then we're going to cover this and let it cool. It's very important that you let it cool. And there you have it. You just made homemade jam. Woohoo! So I'm gonna let this mixture cool on the stove covered for about another hour, hour and a half, and then I'm going to uncover it and then put it in the refrigerator to chill overnight. So in the morning, we'll take a look at our mixture, see how it turned out, and put it in our lovely jam jars, and we'll have lovely raspberry jam for the fall. But until then, I will see you in the morning. All right, it is the next morning, and I have already taken my jam out of the pot and put it into the jam jar, but I wanted to show you what that looked like because putting it in the refrigerator overnight made a huge difference. It is a nice consistency now. It's definitely more of a jam because last night it was very liquidy, if you remember. So be sure to put it in the refrigerator overnight. But let's see what it looks like here. Look how beautiful. It's such a pretty color because of the raspberries. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. There's my camera. All right, so Look at that. Oh, it's nice and thick. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful. So yeah, this is the finished product. This is a consistency that you should have. So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to give this a little taste. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is delicious. So there you have it. You have homemade jam, you guys. I'm gonna continue. Thank you so much for watching this Camp Anna video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and notification icon so you never miss a tidbit, tip, trick, piece of advice, DIY, or vlog on how to make adulting a little easier. Thank you so much for joining me and hope to see you next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.